Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the blend tool on Adobe Illustrator. So I'm just gonna get the circle shape here. You can use any shape that you want. Just delete the outline, and I'm just going to select like a pink color. And then I'm just going to copy and paste that, and I'm going to place it here. And then I'm going to select a different color. I'm just going to do green because I love pink and green. They go together like Glinda and Alphaba and the Fairly Odd Parents fairy. Anyways, you're going to select this tool and you're going to select the pink and then the green, and then voila, that is how you can use the blend tool on Adobe Illustrator. Again, you can use shape, you can even adjust like the blend tool here. Go to edit, I think, if I could remember clear. Oh no, you go to object, you go to the blend here, then blend options. You can kind of adjust it. You can do specified steps. Hello. And you can like even make like a color palette out of this, as you can see. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!